the agenda for national education. Before the British officials, many thinkers from different parts of India began to talk the need for widespread education. Some of the Indians felt that Western education would help us to modernize India, but argued that the British to open more schools, colleges, and universities and spend more money on education. It's a good suggestion. There were other Indians who were against the Western education. Few among them are Mahatma Gandhi and Rabindranath Tagore. So few of them thought English education was very good. It will help India to become modernized. Gandhiji and Rabindranath Tagore had different kinds of views. Let us look at the views of Gandhiji and Rabindranath Tagore. Views of Mahatma Gandhi. English education has enslaved us. This is a statement given by Mahatma Gandhi about Western education. According to Mahatma Gandhi, the Western civilization created a sense of inferiority in the minds of Indians. It created a sense of inferiority among us. We are lesser than somebody. This thought has been feeded into the brains of Indians. It made Indians perceive it as superior and destroyed the pride of their own culture. It made Indians to think that we all need to dress up like the Western people. That is of a superior quality. We need to follow them. That is considered as civilization. That is considered as modernization, which has destroyed the pride in our own culture. Indians educated in these institutions began admiring the British rule. The people, the students who learned English started to admire and started to copy the Britishers' style, and they want to encourage the Britishers' ruling system. They are admiring it. Mahatma Gandhi wanted an education that could help Indians to recover their sense of dignity and self respect. During the national movement, he argued that students to leave the educational institutions in order to show to the British that Indians were no longer willing to be enslaved. So Mahatma Gandhiji had a view that the Britishers are trying to make us feel inferior by introducing a system which is new to us. In this process, Indians are feeling that copying them is a superior quality. Indians have to have a system of education where Indians will recover their sense of dignity and self respect, which is not happening with this English education. Because of the English education, most of the educated Indians are also admiring the British rule, which is not right. They are making us as slaves. These are the views of Mahatma Gandhiji. He went on saying that education in English is distancing Indians from their own surroundings and made them strangers in their own lands. Indians are becoming strangers in their own land. How? By learning English. They are not knowing about their surroundings. Mahatma Gandhi said, education should be for a person to develop a person's mind and soul. Literacy did not count as education. A nationalist sentiments spread, and other thinkers also began to think the system of national education, which would be radically different from that set up by the British. So Mahatma Gandhi, when he gave this statement, we are becoming strangers in our own land, he want to convey the message to the Indians that we need to be proud of our own system. An educational system is to develop a person's mind and soul. Just only reading book will not make any person as educated. He might be a literate. Literacy did not count as education. Education is a need for a person to develop a person's mind and soul. So when the national sentiment spread across, many other thinkers also began to believe that the system of national education should be radically different than that was set up by the British.